Happy Wednesday. It's April 21st, and we're going to look at the numbers for the Knightdale, Wendell, Zebulon area. We're going to be recapping what March looked like, and we'll see what's going on today. So let's get it. When we talk about a recap for March, what we're actually doing is looking at the numbers from March 2021 compared to the numbers in March 2020. So that's what these numbers are going to reflect. So this year, new listings hitting the market in March compared to last year were down 23.8%, which the pandemic did hit last March and things kind of slowed for just a tiny bit of time. So that's not really surprising, but also with the low inventory. With such low inventory and high demand, it has affected median home sales prices. So compared to last March, home median sales prices are up 12%. The median price is $280,000 for the Knightdale, Wendell, Zebulon area. That low inventory and high demand is also affecting median sales prices. So in Knightdale, Wendell, Zebulon, compared to last year, median price is up 3.2%. What sellers are actually receiving over their asking price is 101.9%. We know that things are still moving quickly. You see homes come on the market today and they're gone by tonight or tomorrow. But compared to this March to last March, days on market average is 9 days for Knightdale, Wendell, Zebulon. So those were the numbers comparing last March to this March. So now let's look at the numbers for today and see what's happened over the last week. So let's look at what's going on today in Knightdale, Wendell, Zebulon. There's a lot going on this piece of paper. So as far as actives and coming soons, today there are 51, 30 resale, and 21 new construction. For under contract and pending, there are 138 resales that have gone under contract, 300 new construction, which those have been hanging out, remember. Average days on market for those that are under contract is 7 days. From the 15th through today, the 21st, there were 34 properties that closed in the Knightdale, Wendell, Zebulon area, with 25 of those being resales. But let's get into the good part. Of those 25 resale homes that closed over the last week in Knightdale, Wendell, Zebulon, 19 of those homes sold for over what the list price was. A little bit deeper and looking at those 19 homes and what they actually closed for, there was a variation. So you might have $3,000 over, $4,000 over, but wait, there were 5 homes that sold over $25,000, 130 over, 133, and one that sold in Knightdale for $50,000 over asking. I did a post earlier this week that was about market price versus market value. So let's touch on that just a little bit. When a real estate agent comes up with your market price, what your list price will be, they have looked at comparables, homes that are like apples to apples or changing some oranges into apples to come up with a price that is comparable to what has sold in recent time around your area and what they believe your home could sell for on the market. Market value is actually what a buyer is willing to pay for the home. So since we're in such a low inventory time, buyers are willing to pay more. I don't tell you this to say that if you put your house on the market today, that you're going to receive $50,000 over, $70,000 over. But the likelihood of you receiving an offer over your list price is extremely high. If a home is in a great location, great condition, and at a great price, it will sell quickly, and likely in today's market, it will sell for over list price. Most homeowners today have a lot of equity that is built up since home values have gone up. Like I always tell you, if you want information about your home, your neighborhood, your town, shoot me a message. I'm happy to get that information to you and talk about your situation. I hope these numbers have been interesting to you. If you have found them useful and you like this series, share it with somebody. It may be of use to someone who is thinking about selling or thinking about buying. They need to know this information as well. Okay, well, that wraps things up for this Wednesday. I will see you next week so we can see what's going on in the Knightdale, Wendell, Zebulon real estate market. For now, these were the numbers.